Alright guys, check this out. We got this Mustang, Ford Mustang, American import, old school, installed with a brand new radio. So we took the original one out, so this is what was in there before, outdated, and now it's the new one to the 21st century. Looks very nice in there, almost very looks factory. So it gets your CarPlay and Android Auto, full touchscreen, so you can connect up to your phone. And also reverse camera has also been fitted, but these old school cars, they don't have reverse lights, it's American ones. So it's on a switch, which is here. So when you want to put it into reverse, you put the car into reverse and then you hit the switch and it will switch over to the camera. Turn it off, it goes back to the screen. So Android Auto and CarPlay on here. Sound comes to the original system. So if you want something like this retrofitted on your vehicle, bring it up to the modern standard, give us a call. Comments, cost and security. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.